Hello, everyone. So now, we are going to do amazing science questions. Let's begin. Also, before starting, do like, share, subscribe. The answer to the previous video question is option B, right atrium. I hope you guessed the right answer. Now let's do more questions. Acids have a dash taste. Right answer option B, sour. How many chambers are there in a human heart? Right answer option C, 4. Which of the animals is cold-blooded? Right answer option B, snake. Which of the following is used to measure temperature? Right answer option B, thermometer. Which of the following is a unicellular organism? Right answer option A, amoeba. What is used in pencils for writing? Right answer option C, graphite. Which gas is known as laughing gas? Right answer option B, nitrous oxide. Which organ controls all body functions? Right answer option C, brain. Which of the following is a bad conductor of electricity? Right answer option C, plastic. Which blood cells help in clotting? Right answer option C, platelets. Now it's your turn to answer TH question, and write in comment section. Question: which among these is a simple machine? I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, comment.